Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you are fine. This is Simple Yoga Breakout Algo 2025 and it will give you the exact entries. Let me show you. Here you got in this candle you got the sell breakout signal and you can see market going downside, and at that point here you can see clearly visible that signal, this two signal are breakout buy signal, and you can see market going still upside. Okay, these are points, but that is not our it will just give you the swing signals. Okay, but that is our required signal, breakout signal. Okay, and simple hoga breakout y signal, and you can see market going upside. Okay, and let me show you here. I'm showing you the results in BTC in 1 hour time frame. Let me show you results in lower time frame like 15 minute. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame, still loading. Let me show you. Wait. Okay, now here you can see buy signal and market going upside here. Here you got to buy breakout buy signal, and you can see. Okay, and this is our breakout buy signal. Now the here point is, if you got the signal and you can see market going upside, you got the profit, but market goes downside. Okay, and our entry point was that point, but the market goes downside. Okay, so that actually market doing downside. So how you can catch that, in which point you have need to book your profit? So that is a valid and reasonable question. So if we will show one more indicator here, the second indicator will be look like this one. Now this is your breakout signal. Okay, here you can see, let me show you the second indicator. Second indicator will give you a lot of buy and sell signal. There are a lot of fake signals. So first we have need to hide this signals. Go to the setting style and uncheck the labels, and that's okay. Now you got the signal, you have need to target upper band line like here. You need to book your profit. Okay, this is our breakout buy signal, and you have need to target that line, and you can see you book the profit. Here you can see buy signal, and you need to target upper band line. Okay, and so far market is still going to upside, and hopefully it will give you the profit. Okay, and here you can see this line actually the RSI. Okay, and it will can also help you a lot. Okay, so let's see the results in euro USD and gold. In the euro USD, break this actually simple hoga breakouts algo 2025 work on all time frame on all pair, like if you are using in forex, crypto indices, stock, whatever, it will give you the signal in all market. Okay, here you can see we got the breakout buy signal, and you need to target upper band line like this one. Here you can see breakout sell signal, and you need to target lower band line like this one. Okay, and here another one signal, and you got the profit. This is breakout buy signal, and you can see your target achieved at this point. Okay, and let me show you here buy signal, and you need to target upper band line. Here you can see buy signal, and you need to target this band. Upper band line, here sell signal, and you need to target, and you need to close your trade at that point, because at that point you got a breakout buy signal. Okay, and you need to go for the buy trade, book your profit. At that in this candle you can see breakout sell signal, and you need to target lower band line like this one. Okay, let me show you results in gold. In the gold you will get awesome results like in all pairs. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see breakout buy signal, breakout buy signal, and you can book your profit. You can book your profit here. Okay, breakout sell signal, you can book your profit. Okay, at this point. Okay, and so far here you can see that buy signal gives you awesome profit, and here you can see this two buy breakout signal. Okay, this one, 4 5, actually this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 breakout buy signal, and you can 7, and this one 8. Oh, 9 and 10, almost you can see you got 10 breakout buy signal, and you can see market going upside upside upside. You got some amazing profit. Okay, in the previous one, this one you got breakout sell signal, you need to book your profit. At that point you need to open your buy trade, and buy trades only, and you can see market going upside upside upside, and you got some good profit here. At the end you got sell trade, book your profit. That is a very small profit, but that our you can see you are getting a lot of profit. I'm showing you results in the gold in 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you results in SPY. In the SPY, you will get signals like, me show you, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, and lot of buy signal, book your profit, sell signal, book your profit, buy signal, hey, book for your profit, sell signal, and need to book your profit, buy signal, book your profit, sell signal, book your profit, and now again buy trade, and market going upside. Okay, that is the results in 15-minute time frame in the SPY. Let me show you results in some Indian market. Like, because I am just showing you the indicator is working perfectly fine on all market, either is Nifty 50, Indian market, stock, crypto, stock, future, forex, crypto, indices, economy, option. You can use in any pair. Okay, in all pairs. Okay, Nifty 50. If we will see the results in the Nifty 50, you will see, let me show you. Indian market is structure is like this one, and indicator is loading. Let me show you. Okay, still loading. Okay, and if you need my indicators, I will show you how you can get my indicators. Breakout sell signal, 3 breakout sell signal, and market going up downside. Breakout buy signal, and you can see market going upside. Okay, that is actually a very awesome signals, and you are getting awesome profit. Okay, now if you need my indicators, let me show you my contact details. This is my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. And there are some fake Telegram channels actually, so you do not need to join any fake Telegram channels, because I do not have any Telegram channels. You have need to personal contact me on my Telegram. @ simple होगा one, right one at the end must. Okay, Gmail simple होगा @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. For the next video, bye bye, take care. Any query, any question you can ask me. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care. And how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart, let me show you. It's very simple. Just go to the indicator, control A, control copy my code. I will provide you the text file. Okay, you have need to copy the code, then go to the point editor. Oh sorry, in your trading view chart, let me show you, it's not working. Go to the point editor, control A, remove all the code first. There must be no code, then paste my code, and then simply I have need to remove this one first, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, you have need to do some changes in the simple Yoga breakout algo 2025. There is no changes you need. Just simply paste the indicator and click on add to chart. Indicator is ready. And the second indicator simple Yoga 4.8, you have need to do some changes, and I will show you. If you need my indicator, you can contact me. I already show you the contact details. Just need to go to the setting of this indicator, and we have need to hide some options like uncheck the table, uncheck the influence signal, and RSI 75. And the third thing here, you have need to uncheck the swing mode. Just okay. Now your indicator is ready, and enjoy the profit. And let me show you, it's still loading chart. And Okay, wait few seconds. Okay, you can see indicator is now ready. Enjoy the profit. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end. There are some fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware. Just personal contact me on my Telegram. Simple होगा @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye. Take care.